few years back, my daughter had taken a placement test to take the algebra class the next year. And she's a very, very good student. And so I was waiting for this confirmation. She was going to take the algebra class and it never came. So I wrote the teacher. I'm like, is she in it? And I'm like, well, she didn't do well enough. She didn't do well enough on the test. So I said, all right, I want to see. Well, I said, I want to see the test. And they're just like, no. And it's like, I'm a physics teacher. I know. And it's like, why? And I'm like, I want to see it to make sure you graded it right. I want to make sure you didn't make mistakes. They were fighting me on seeing this test. And I'm like, all right, tell me the details. What score did she get? What did she need? And it was like, out of 50 points, you needed to get 40 and she got like a 39. And I'm just like, what? She wants to take the class, I said. Yeah. Well, because we're an immigrant family. We're an immigrant family. Yes.
That's bullshit.
It is. And so I was but you have to make a stink, right? Because this is what they depend on. They depend on you just being like, okay, I trust. I'm like, no, I want to see every test. I want to check every number. I want to make sure that you didn't mess up as a teacher and grade it incorrectly. I need to see that with my own eyes. If this is true, I want to see it. And also, I'm just asking for my daughter to be in the class that she wants to take. Why are you telling me that my child that wants to take an advanced math class can't take it? I mean, what the hell kind of school do we live in? What society do we live in? And so they had to call a meeting. They called a meeting between the principal, the vice principal, and the teacher. And they eventually allowed her to get into that class. But here's the kicker. She gets into the class and she's just like, that kid's no good. That kid's no good. Like all these kids failed the class. She got the highest grade in the class. This happens every day. And this is why it's so, my heart breaks for kids who don't have parents who stand up and advocate for them. And you have to assume, I tell my kids every single time. I see Sturge writes it down as here. That's great to see him.